NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question 14. An observer 1.5 meters tall is 20.5 meters away from a tower 22 meters high. Determine the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the eye of the observer. Answer. Let us draw the diagram. We are given an observer 1.5 meters tall and is 20.5 meters away from the tower. Tower height is 22 meters. We need to find the angle of elevation theta, angle of elevation of the top of the tower from eye of the observer. Now let us write the given values. We are given that observer height is equal to 1.5 meters. Distance between observer and tower is equal to 20.5 meters. Tower height is equal to 22 meters. Since we need angle of elevation theta from the eye of the observer, for angle theta, opposite side is equal to tower height minus observer height, because we are asked the angle of elevation from the eye of the observer. Therefore, we need to take out the observer height from the tower height. We know that tower height is 22 meters. Observer height is 1.5 meters. That is equal to 20.5 meters. Adjacent side is the distance between the observer and the tower. Adjacent side is equal to 20.5 meters. Now let us write tan theta. We know that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? It is 20.5 meters. And what is the adjacent side? It is also 20.5 meters, which is equal to 1. That implies tan theta is 1. When is tan theta 1? When theta is equal to 45 degrees. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the eye of the observer is 45 degrees.